नावेली मडगांव हांगसर फुटसाल टोर्नामेंट सर्त 14 ते 18 नोव्हेंबर मजगती जाली। ह्या वेळार नुस्तेमारी मंत्री आवर्तन फुर्तादो आणि हेर मानेस्तां हाजीर आशिल्ले। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
I'm extremely happy to be with you all for this final of futsal. To my bad luck, I can't witness the match because I have to leave for a serious matter that has taken place. But my wishes and good luck are always with you all. And I sincerely feel that Benjamin is the right person to lead this futsal because I know him right from the age of 19 when we both played for the junior nationals.
I am very happy because this is the first time we are organizing this tournament, and hardly Canada we qualified it because they have formed the system. This is our first event. I am very happy with the progress of the league.
And the tournament displayed a lot of skill. In fact, the final was very close.
This is the youth sports, which brought by one of the youngest board member of Indian Olympic Association to India, and we hope that our India should be at a different level with the help of this sports. That's what we have tried our best. As the guest has already said that futsal in Goa is in right hand, so we are really thankful. In a very short period, the Futsal Association of Goa organized fantastic tournament, and please give a big hand for the Futsal Association of Goa. I don't want to take much time, but I would like to wish all the participants, wish them all the best, wish you all the best. And we are having our senior national championship in Jaipur. We all welcome with the team, and we hope that Goa will fight for the championship.
C. Pinto, jersey number 7, Jonathan Falero, jersey number 1, R. Costa, jersey number 6, Gautam Kankurkar, jersey number 12, Siddesh Kesurkar, jersey number 5, Caetano Fernandez, jersey number 2, Salvo Fernandez, jersey number 10, Hasan Velo, jersey number 4. Coach Agnello Silva, manager Elroy Pinto.